Did you know that every day thousands of passwords get stolen? Can you guarantee that yours is protected? Well, after trying Keeper myself, I can't. That's why I'm doing a quick Keeper Password Manager review to show you how it protects your data, along with a simple Keeper tutorial so you can set it up right away. You can click the link below, and as I continue with this Keeper review, explore everything this password manager has to offer with me. To my knowledge, and based on what they claim themselves, Keeper Security follows all the core security practices you'd expect from a top-tier password manager, and even adds a few that go beyond that. It uses AES 256 encryption, which means your passwords are locked with the same level of protection used by governments to secure classified data. Then there's 2FA and MFA, which add an extra layer of security. Even if someone manages to get your master password, they'd still need a second confirmation, like a phone code or authentication app to gain access. As one of the best password manager options should, Keeper supports passkeys, the new passwordless login method that's faster, safer, and nearly impossible to phish. Plus, independent audits and penetration tests help ensure vulnerabilities don't slip through the cracks. But what truly sets Keeper Password Manager apart is how it combines a zero-knowledge approach with zero-trust architecture. The first means your data is encrypted and decrypted only on your device, so even Keeper can't read it. The second means no one inside the system is trusted by default. Every login or action is verified again, keeping your vault secure at every step. Together, they make Keeper's setup one of the most airtight and private in the industry. To top it off with all that protection in place, are you really surprised Keeper's never been hacked? Me neither. If you'd like to benefit from Keeper's airtight security practices and strong data protection, scan the QR code on the screen to get Keeper with the best available discount. To fully answer the common question, how to use Keeper Password Manager, let's begin with the setup. You can download Keeper on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, Android, or simply use it through the web app. Everything syncs automatically across your devices. After installing, you'll first create your master Keeper password. This is a single key to your encrypted vault, where all your passwords, payment info, and notes are securely stored. Keeper itself can't view or reset this password. That's part of how your data stays private. Still, it's a good idea to set up recovery options like backup codes or biometric login, just in case you ever need them. Since you can't import or export on mobile devices, I'll do it on my PC instead. That's not a technical limitation, but a deliberate choice made to reduce the risk of data leaks. Once you're in the desktop or web application, go to the vault and open Settings, then select Import. Here you can bring your existing passwords from browsers like Chrome or Firefox, upload a CSV file, or transfer them from another password manager. Keeper will then display the imported logins so you could review and organize them. I recommend making sure your most important accounts like email, banking, and payment services are included first. Now let's continue this Keeper password tutorial by exploring the core features. You already saw the vault when we imported the passwords. This is your main dashboard, and every login or secure note you save is stored here. If you want to share your entries, click the Share button. You can choose to share full access so someone can view and edit, allow view-only permissions, or send a one-time share that disappears once the recipient opens it. You can also make it available for a limited time. I find this feature especially useful in certain situations. For example, when you can't sign in to an app yourself and need a family member to check something for you, or in a business scenario where you temporarily give a partner access to analytics or reports stored behind a login. Another thing to keep in mind is that if you ever lose your internet connection, offline access to the vault is still available. Of course, Keeper isn't just for storing passwords. Click Create New, then Generate Password. Here, Keeper can create a strong password or passphrase for you. You can adjust its length and choose which symbols it includes. Let's say you generated new passwords with the Keeper generator, but what about your old ones? Are they strong enough? Luckily, Keeper has you covered there too. The security audit feature lets you check the strength of all your passwords and identify any that might need updating. Another thing you can do is click Create New, then select Record. This is where you can create a structured template that can store any type of information, such as logins, payment cards, bank accounts, and more. Keeperfill is another extremely useful feature. When you visit websites or apps, it automatically fills in your saved logins. To activate it, you'll need to install the browser extension. Once it's on, you'll see a small Keeper lock icon appear in the login fields. Here's how it works. When I visit a website, Keeperfill instantly detects if I have saved credentials for it. I click the lock icon, select the correct account, and Keeper automatically fills in my username and password. Then I simply hit login. But what if I'm signing up for a new site? No worries. KeeperFill can also generate a strong password on the spot and save it directly to your vault. The same convenience extends to the mobile app too. On iOS or Android, Keeper integrates with your phone's autofill system. So when you open an app or a site, it suggests your saved credentials right from the keyboard. Just tap to fill. Once KeeperFill is turned on, you won't need to copy, paste, or type passwords ever again. You just saw the basic features related to password keeping, but it doesn't end there. There are many more related to security, starting with secure file storage, a cloud-based solution that allows businesses to store and share confidential files in an encrypted format. Meanwhile, if you have a consumer account, you can use the emergency access feature. This lets you designate up to 5 trusted individuals who can gain read-only access to your vault after a specified waiting period in case of an emergency. In addition, there can be silent emergencies, like when someone tries to log into your account without permission. To protect against that, you can enable the Self-destruct feature, which permanently erases all locally stored data after a certain number of failed login attempts. It might sound radical, but don't worry. If you're a paid user, once you log back in, your data will reappear. I tested it myself and it works exactly as Keeper claims. My data reappeared. To make this Keeper Password Manager guide even more helpful, I want to briefly show you a few advanced add-on features. Breach Watch. You can find it in the dashboard. No one wants their personal data ending up on the dark web, right? But if the worst case scenario happens, this add-on monitors the internet and dark web for breached accounts that match records stored in your Keeper vault. Last but not least, there's an encrypted messaging app called Keeper Chat. They claim it provides best-in-class security with end-to-end encryption for messages both at rest and in transit. And for my more technically advanced viewers, Keeper isn't just beginner-friendly. It also includes developer tools, including a GitHub repository SDK. When it comes to pricing, some people might get confused after seeing Keeper plans for business or military, thinking the service is meant only for advanced users, but don't be mistaken. That just shows how flexible and high quality their offerings are. For personal use, Keeper has one main plan called Personal, which includes all the core features I mentioned, except for the add-ons. There's also a family plan that offers the same features but covers up to 5 users, includes 10 gigabytes of storage, and lets you manage permissions as well as share folders. You can also try a free trial, but after a month it becomes very limited, basically allowing you to store passwords only. Still, since the personal plan costs less than a cup of coffee per month, investing in Keeper is truly a no-brainer. If you want to see the same ridiculously low prices I'm showing you right now, click the link below. Who knows, maybe you'll even decide to secure the whole family. All in all, Keeper's reputation for being secure and trustworthy over the years proves its strong commitment to keeping up with the latest security measures. And even though it offers advanced tools through the Keeper Premium features, it still maintains an easy-to-use interface for beginners. That's why I recommend this provider as one of the best password managers available today. If you found this especially useful among all the Keeper reviews out there, let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to use the link below, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Till next time.